So I actually have new drawings in IBC Solus. Why does it have such a big head? And how did it take 3 minutes to draw a simple thing? Okay. Around the screen. I don't really like this art style anymore. Okay. I don't know what this is. We're not gonna talk about this one. Okay. Oh my gosh, me and my art block. Okay. Should I bring this art style back? It's kind of cute in my opinion. I think it's my most detailed one yet. So far. Alright. I don't know what this is. Pixel art. A random waterfall is the most random thing I've ever seen. Okay. I actually like the shine of it. Pixel art. I tried doing it. Okay. This is actually kind of cute. Oh my gosh, I always have art block. Okay. Why is the blood green? Okay. I don't know what this is. I don't know, it's so bad. I'm gonna delete this one. Yeah. Nope, I'm not deleting my favorite photos. Okay. Some rare spiral. How to take 41 minutes to draw my name. Okay, I can finish this one. What the heck? Okay. This is actually so cute. Okay. This is a banner. I don't know. A background. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. My roll picture. It's kind of cute still. My daddy's world will see. My daddy's world will see. The captains keep saying Danny's. It's not Danny's. It's Dandy's. Okay. The twisted. Okay. I need to stop torturing this swimsuit girl. She didn't even do anything. How my OC before my OC became twisted. Okay. My friend's Danny's world see. It's a guy, by the way. This one. It's Danny's world. Nerd. My friends will see. Okay. More Danny's world. Danny's world see. The twisted is so brutal. Okay, let me just. Okay. A line. How to take. Let me see the time lapse. How? Oh my. Okay. I do. That's kind of cute still. Okay. A gray screen. I don't know. Oh my. What the? Okay, we're not going past that. What the heck? What was that? What? What? Okay. 10 minutes. What? Okay, I need to see the time lapse. Okay. I need to start torturing her. Okay. This is the craziest thing I've ever seen. My Roblox avatar. Or forming. Okay. Yeah. My PNG. I don't even know how to add it to a video. Okay. Okay, this is so cute. How I favorite a drawing of mine. A circle. This art some more for Heather. Me and my art block. Oh my god. Keyboard toodles. Oh my gosh. I love this. I'm gonna do a redesign. I still love it. Hey, so we need to go. Okay, this is actually kind of cool. Some more Danny's World. I need to make it as detailed as possible. Now we're at the 100th drawing. It didn't even. Okay, bye.